Should you buy cannabis stocks? Does the legalization of marijuana in several states and many countries translate to a profitable stock investment? Cannabis, or popularly known as marijuana, gets mixed reactions when some countries started to legalize the use of it, both for medicinal and recreational purposes. Some are in favor of it, others strongly oppose it. However, it seems that the global legalization of marijuana, like alcohol and tobacco, will happen sooner than expected. Since the legalization of marijuana has spread to other countries outside North America, the stock price of companies growing cannabis and selling its products has also increased, leading many investors eager to buy cannabis stocks. If you are one of those investors but don't know which cannabis stock to buy, you have come to the right place. We have compiled a list of cannabis stocks to watch. Did you know that among the 195 countries in the world, 46 have legalized the use of marijuana? In the US, 37 states and Washington, D.C. have decriminalized marijuana use. 31 in D.C. for both purposes, and the rest are solely for medical use. Do you think that more countries will support the legalization of marijuana? If many do, that will certainly increase the stock price of cannabis companies. Where do you sit? Are you in favor of medical or recreational marijuana? If not, would you still buy cannabis stocks? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. This can be a very interesting topic of discussion. Now, grab a pen and paper. Make sure to take note of which cannabis stocks to watch. Green Thumb Industries. Established in 2014 and headquartered in Chicago, Illinois, this company believes that cannabis can help improve the well-being of people, happiness, health, and comfort. It is a marijuana grower and retailer. They manufacture, distribute, and sell various marijuana products. Currently, it operates 13 manufacturing facilities and has 55 retail stores in 12 states. Between 2020 and 2021, Green Thumb Industries stock increased by 430%. Research analysts suggest that investors should buy this stock. Are you interested in buying a Green Thumb stock? You can purchase it on Robinhood, Vanguard, and other brokerage services. Cresco Lab. This medical marijuana company, founded in 2013, showed a robust performance in 2020. Cresco Labs' revenue jumped 271% to $476.3 million. It is said to be the largest wholesaler in the country, with 32 shops in 10 states selling 5,000 weed products. Some of their brands are Good News, High Supply, and Sunnyside. Selling vape pens, assorted gummies, Good News shorties, and much more. With a wide variety of selections, this company can definitely increase its revenues year by year. Also, this company is eyeing to expand more aggressively as it acquired Origin House for $823 million in 2019. The following year, it acquired Bluma Wellness, the second highest store sales in Florida next to TruLeaf Cannabis, for $213 million in 2020. These acquisitions and many more can further boost the company's strength and presence in the cannabis industry. Cresco Labs stock are worth buying as we can see sustainable growth in the future maintained by the growing demand for marijuana in the U.S. TruLeaf Cannabis. As a marijuana grower and retailer, it aims to develop natural products that their patients can find the relief they need and rely on. They are the first and largest fully licensed medical cannabis company in Florida and has been operating for 81 years. Their products include topicals, nebulizers, lozenges, chocolate, baked goods, capsules, and syringes. They are designed to relieve cancer patients and other severe medical conditions suffering from seizures, muscle spasms, pain, nausea, and other symptoms. TruLeaf Cannabis stock showed a significant increase in 2020. It was up 167% in 2021 with a revenue of 105% year over year at $521.5 million. Many research analysts give TruLeaf Cannabis a rating of buy. Jushi Holdings Inc. It is one of the fastest growing marijuana stocks, with a whopping revenue growth of 600% in 2021. Another Florida-based cannabis company established in 2007 aims to provide a sophisticated, modern cannabis experience to its consumers. It engages in retail, distribution, cultivation, and processing operations. The brands under Jushi Holdings are the Bank, which focused on plant genetics and cultivation, the Lab, vape products and concentrates, and Nira Plus that produces medicinal THC products, and many more. THC stands for tetrahydrocannabinol, or in layman's term, the happy chemical in marijuana. It causes a psychological effect that makes its users feel high. Is Jushi Holdings a good buy? Analysts have an optimistic forecast of the price, and it has a very good debt-to-equity ratio. It's one factor to consider in identifying a good stock. In 2021, it had $168 million in cash compared to its $82 million debt. For these reasons, we can say Jushi Holdings stock is a good buy. Innovative Industrial Properties Inc. Cannabis companies need facilities and a place to grow and manufacture marijuana products. Innovative Industrial Properties help these companies acquire, develop, build, and manage industrial facilities. It is a real estate investment trust. As a REIT, it pays dividends to its stockholders from its earnings. In 2021, the company successfully acquired a 70,000 square foot industrial space in North Adams, Massachusetts. Not only that, it was able to make a long-term lease with Temescal Wellness of Massachusetts to be used for the cultivation and processing of cannabis. With the acquisition and lease, this company's stock price, value, and earnings will certainly soar. In the fourth quarter of 2020, its revenue jumped 110% year-over-year to $37.1 million. The whole year of 2020, their revenue grew 162%. The marijuana stock market is volatile since it is not yet legalized in all states, but Innovative Industrial Properties is safe from this volatility. It does not directly engage in cannabis but rather on real estate, so it is safe to buy Innovative Industrial stock in that aspect. Jazz Pharmaceuticals. This company aims to improve patient lives by developing and bringing life-changing medicines to people with limited or no options. Established in 2003, this Ireland-based biopharmaceutical company has recently acquired GW Pharmaceuticals. This is a major acquisition and a big boost to Jazz Pharmaceuticals' company's strength and revenue since GW's drug, Epidiolex, was the first cannabis-based medicine to be approved by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. This drug treats childhood epilepsy and TSC, tuberous sclerosis complex, a rare organ disease. This drug can generate high sales and sustain strong revenue growth, knowing there are roughly 1 million people worldwide with TSC and epilepsy. Not only that, their medicine are available in 75 countries, expanding their target market, which means more sales. This company shows an upward trend, and it is absolutely worth a look. Knowing that there are companies, like Jazz Pharmaceuticals, dedicated to developing medicines like Xyrem for people suffering from narcolepsy, acute leukemia, and many others from cannabis, it can justify the use of marijuana. As a result, if more and more people can see that the benefits of medical marijuana, then legalization will soon be adopted in many more countries, even in places where using it is considered a serious crime at this time. What do you think? Is it wise to buy cannabis stocks? If you are leaning towards investing in it, which one would you buy first from the companies mentioned in this video? Or are you debating whether it is okay to legalize marijuana in the first place? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Let's have a healthy discussion about cannabis, its pros and cons, and whether it's a good investment. I hope you found this video valuable. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on videos about stocks and other wealth building topics. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.